G'day YouTube, welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino Beer Review. Today we will be drinking out of my Capri's glass, which I got from one of my viewers. Thank you very much, I love this glass. I've used it a couple times already, I'm going to keep using it. It's really good for beers with a nitrous widget, as you can see the separation better in the shape of the glass. The beer I'm drinking doesn't have a nitrous widget, but who cares? We will be drinking a 5% alcohol dark beer. We will be drinking Hockley Dark from the Hockley Valley Brewing Company in Orangeville, Ontario. It says traditional English ale. So we're looking at a traditional English dark ale here. Mild, light-bodied, and full-flavored. Proudly craft brewed in Ontario, Canada. Into the cup and see what happens. It's a 473 milliliter can. It was like $1.95 or so. It's pouring a nice color, I'll give it that. It's not all going to fit in this cup, I'll tell you that as well. It is a dark ale, but at the same time it isn't. It's like a very dark ruby red color. I remember it being nice and black the first time I had it, but I don't know if it was because of the light. I mean, I could have been looking at it without these. I mean, I have fluorescent lights around me to give me better visual appeal on these. But that ruby red color is beautiful. It does look like the traditional English ale it spoke of. There is 2 fingers ahead. It's thick head, small tiny bubbles, but nice and thick at the same time. It's fading slowly. Looks like it's gonna stay. There's some nice divots in here now. Not good. Scent-wise, it's a traditional English dark. I mean, you get your coffee, you get lots and lots of chocolate scents on it, you get lots of dark fruit. I'm getting a lot of plum on there. The chocolate is the forefront, followed by the fruit, followed by the coffee, and then you get some just regular malty sweetness and hoppy bitterness at the finish. I love that chocolatey, fruity scent though on here. It's something that you don't get all the time. You know, when the beer pours, it actually looks more red than it looks ruby, but in the cup, it looks ruby. And I mean, it's not just at the thinnest part of the cup. Up at the top of the cup, it still looks ruby. Let's give the beer a taste. Visual appeal though, it looks great. It looked great in this cup. It looks great in general. It is very light-bodied, like it says. It's very soft. It doesn't fill your mouth at all. It kind of just hits whatever parts of your mouth it hit when you swallowed it. Lots and lots of bitter chocolate on the flavor. Baker's chocolate, lots of coffeeness on the finish, like black coffee. Get that mocha taste. At the very beginning, you can get that flavor of plum. It is complex flavored. As it says, it's full flavored. It's a nice beer. It goes down soft It goes down smooth, it goes down easy. Yet at the same time, it's just so full of flavor that it's exploding. Tastes like a couple of the stouts I've been drinking lately. That mocha taste is there with that dark fruit taste. The black coffee finish also has a bit of hoppy bitterness as well, not just the coffee bitterness. You can taste the two differences. You get the coffee bitterness basically right at the back of your mouth, right where you're swallowing at, right around the right around where your throat starts, and then the hoppiness is actually in your throat. The chocolate, the baker's chocolate taste is up at the top of your tongue, as is that plum taste. And the two of them mix nicely. There's really nothing to complain about. As I said, slightly lower than what I would have given it before. When I did my text blog, this was a 9 out of 10. I'd say now it's an 8.5. It's still really good. It's just more bitter than I remember it being. It doesn't have that sweetness that I remember. Anyway, thank you for watching the Albino Rhino beer review. Good beer drinking to all of you. Bye.